It's Adrien and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the X-Wing drone of Star Wars, and now we will turn the drone on. To turn it on, we need to push this and that turns it on.
May the Force be with you.
Okay. Now to sink the ship, you need to sink the ship. You go up, then you go down, then slow, medium, fast, or
Training mode activated.
training mode. Okay. Now, to stabilize the ship, we will now press this button. To turn the lights on and off, we will press this button. Yeah, the lights turn on and off. Yeah, can do. Okay. And now we will take off. Wait, and now I will explain the flip part. If you press this button, that's to flip this way. If you press this button, that's to flip this way. And now for the special part, we will take off. So to start this thing, hold this button down for a few seconds until it goes automatically. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. And now we have took it off. And you see the lights are on, off, on. And you can shoot by using this button. Now we will turn around. It's a little bit tricky. If you want to start, you have to flip the opposite way you want to go. And now we will shift back around again. Let's be careful on that. And now we will flip and then land. So flip this way, and then you can also flip the other way, which I'm not going to do. But anyway, we're going to land. Okay, here we go. You can also move while you're landing, but I don't think you can do that in training mode if you're starting this drone. And I think this drone is absolutely awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments of what this drone is. Is it awesome? Is it like not awesome? Is it okay? I guess. Maybe you could say that in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button, but don't break it. And make sure to subscribe too. And bye guys. See you in the next video.